The Nübeck headquarters is made mostly of concrete. Why concrete? Why not timber?
It's surrounded by the harbor of Copenhagen, so it's surrounded by salt water on all sides. So you couldn't really make it out of timber. Also, it's 7 floors that are all open to each other, so we can all see and connect with each other. So by Danish building code, you can only have 20% of a building exposed in wood. So we have the north wall is a giant shelf out of wood. But then we thought, like, why don't we look into making the most sustainable concrete building we can imagine? So we're using a new mixture of cement called Unigreen, where a third of the cement has been replaced by clay, which lowers the carbon footprint. Then also by having all the structure exposed, so the floors, the walls, the ceilings are the heavy construction. It increases the thermal stability of the building, so it's entirely naturally ventilated, and the foundations are energy piles that extract heat from the ground in the winter and deposit it in the summer.
Right.
So the heat pumps to heat and cool the building are entirely driven by the photovoltaics on the roof that power the energy piles. And finally, when you don't cover concrete but leave it exposed, it keeps carbonizing. So it keeps actually sequestering CO2 from the air between as little as 2.5% and as much as 25% in the life cycle of a building. So in that sense, we decided to try to do everything we could within this building type to deliver the highest performing building in terms of the environmental performance.